Welcome students. Today we are going to learn the another concept which is nothing but the client side image map in HTML5. As we already learned the basic concept of image map where we can create multiple hyperlinks on a single image. There are two types of image map. One is client side and another one is server side. Client side depends on client machine whereas server side depends on server machine. In our syllabus we are having only client side image map concept. So we'll see the tags and attributes used in client side image map. The first tag which we make used in client side image map is an img tag. Img which we already learned in our 11th syllabus. This img tag is used to insert image on a web page. Attributes of img tag. The first and compulsory attribute for img tag is src, stands for source, which defines path, or you can say address, or you can say URL of an particular image which we want to insert on a web page. Next, height, which specifies height of an image. Another one is width, which specifies width of an image. Next one is alt, which provides alternate text. And the most important attribute for client-side image map, which is use map. Use map is an attribute of img tag, but it used for client side image map. Use map acts as a pointer which indicates that image is a client side image map. Another tag which we use, which is map, which defines hotspot on an image. Attributes of map tag. There is only one attribute, which is name, which defines name of the image which used for client side image map. The another tag which we make use of for client side image map, which is area tag, which defines specific clickable regions on an image. Attributes of area tag. The first attribute of area tag is shape, which defines shapes and have the values rect, circle and poly. If I am going to make use of shape is equal to rect, then I can draw rectangle as well as square. If I am going to make use of shape is equal to circle, then I can draw circle. If I am going to make use of shape is equal to poly, then we can draw any free-handed shape. So poly value is used to draw any free-handed shape. The shape attribute is having only three values, which are rect, circle and poly. The another attribute which is coords, 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 which defines coordinates of clickable region. Another one is alt, which provides alternate text for clickable region. The next one is href, stands for hyperlink reference, or you can say hypertext reference, which defines the URL for clickable region. These are nothing but the attributes of area tag. We'll see output of this client-side image map. Here we created one web page for client-side image map. As you can see, one image is there, and on that image one dotted line rectangular shape is there. Whenever user is going to click on this shape, it will get connected with a particular web page. The another shape, you can saw that one dotted line circle shape is there. Whenever user is going to click on this shape, it will get connected with a particular web page. This is nothing but the simple output of client side image map. We'll see code for client side. We'll see code for this output. We'll start with basic tags of HTML5. We'll make use of exclamatory mark, doc type HTML, head, title, client side image map, /title, /head, then body. We'll use here img with its compulsory attribute src, which specifies path of an image. Then we'll mention height, which specifies height of an image, width, which specifies width of an image. Then we'll use alt attribute, and the most important attribute for client side image map, which is use map. So we can make use of any value in use map attribute, but that value should be followed by hash, or you can say channel symbol. So as you can saw, we used here hash sdsm. Next, another tag which we use, which is map tag. Its attribute name is equal to sdsm. So whichever value you wrote in use map attribute, that value comes up with a name attribute. But here we didn't make use of any hash or channel symbol. We only make use of sdsm. Now we'll define some clickable region on that image. So for that purpose, here we are going to make use of area tag. Area shape is equal to rect. To draw the rectangle, then we'll define coordinates of that rectangular shape with the help of chords attribute. Here we use chords attribute to define coordinates for rectangular shape. We can easily find coordinates for a particular shape with the help of paint application. We'll see afterwards how we can find coordinates for a particular shape using paint application. Here I already find some coordinates, so I make use that only. Then we use alt attribute. After that href, which specifies URL for clickable region. It means rectangular shape will get connected with a Google web page. Another shape which is circle. So again we use area shape is equal to circle. Chords attribute which defines coordinates of that circle. Then we'll make use of alt, another one, and next we'll make use of href yahoo.com. It means circle shape get connected with Yahoo web page. Another shape which we want to draw, which is triangle. So for that triangle shape, we are going to make use of area shape is equal to poly. Then we'll mention coordinates of that triangle shape. Then alt attribute, and here we are going to make use of, in href we are going to make use of one.html, which means the triangle shape will get connected with a simple html web page. Simple html web page which we already created in a folder, or which we already store in a folder. Then we'll close the map tag /map/body and /html. Remember one thing, all mapping process should be enclosed between map and /map tag. We'll save this code with extension .html and execute it on web browser. We'll see the practical of this code. We'll open Ant Writer. So we'll open Ant Writer. Here I already typed code for client-side image map, as you can saw. Exclamatory mark, doctype HTML head, title, client-side image map, /title, /head, body. Here we used BG color. Then we used one sentence in highest heading level, client-side image map. Then we used IMG, SRC, path of an image. Then mention the height of an image, width of an image, alt attribute. Then use map attribute, which is the important attribute for client side image map. We use map attribute value hash sdsm. Then we used map name is equal to sdsm. Then we define some clickable regions. So we use area shape is equal to rect. We mention coordinates of that rectangular shape with chords attribute, then alt attribute. Then we'll define href. We'll specify URL for that clickable region with the help of href attribute. Then area shape, another shape, area shape is equal to circle. Again chords attribute which defines coordinates of circle shape. Alt href which specifies URL for a clickable region. After that we use area again for another shape. Area shape is equal to poly. We mention the coordinates of that shape. After that here we use href is equal to one.html, which means here we are going to connect this rectangle shape with a simple HTML web page which we already stored in a folder. and after that slash map, slash body and slash html. This is nothing but the simple code for client side image map. We'll save this code with extension .html and execute it on web browser. We'll save this code, we'll save this and open in web browser. For web browser, here we have to select the option open in browser. Open in browser. Here we are going to select the whole path. As you can saw that file colon symbol, we are going to copy this whole path. So select this. Here I am going to select all. After that select the option copy and then go to the browser. Open browser. And here paste this path, paste it. So as you can saw, our web page loaded in our web browser. So you can saw client side image map, one image is there. On that image we created different shapes which are rectangle, circle and triangle. We'll see how these shapes are working. Here first shape which we drawn, which is rectangle. Here as you can saw that rectangular shape is there. Whenever I am going to click on this rectangular shape, it will get connected with a Google web page. I am going to click on this. Google web page will get open, as you can saw. After that the another shape which is nothing but the circle. Here as you can saw circle shape is there. Again I am going to click on this circle shape. It will get connected with a Yahoo web page. Here Yahoo web page will get open. Some network issue is there, so it takes too much time to load the web page. We'll see another shape which is nothing but the triangle. Here we can here triangle. As you can saw triangular shape is there. So here you can saw triangular shape is there. Here I'm going to click on this triangle shape. It will get connected with a simple HTML web page. Here simple HTML web page will get open. So this is nothing but a simple example of client side image map. Again I am going to click on this circle shape. It will get connected with a Yahoo web page. Some network issue is there, so Yahoo web page will get loaded. It takes too much time to load on a web browser. So whenever you are going to click on that particular shapes, that shape will get connected with a particular web pages. This is nothing but a simple example of client side image map, that how client side image map is worked. So this is nothing but a simple example of an client side image map. Thank you.